If your heater fan is running but you're not getting any heat, you gotta check the heating elements or the burner right away. So, here's the deal. First off, turn off your heater and cut the power before you poke around. You don't want to get zapped. Then, take a look at the heating elements if you have an electric heater. Sometimes they get all burnt out or broken. If it's a gas heater, the burner might be clogged or dirty, which stops it from lighting up properly. Make sure the pilot light is actually on too, because if that's out, no heat will come through. Sometimes, dust and dirt build up inside and mess with how well the heater works, so give it a good clean if you can. Also, check the thermostat settings. It's easy to accidentally set it too low or on fan-only mode. If you hear the fan running but no heat, it might be that the heater's safety switch has kicked in, so resetting it could help. When in doubt, call a pro before things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes with heater fans running but no heat is ignoring heating element damage. People often don't realize these parts wear out and need replacing. Fix that by testing continuity with a multimeter or just swapping them out if they look fried. Another common problem is a dirty or clogged burner in gas heaters. That blocks the flame and stops heating, so regular cleaning is key to keep it working smooth. Lastly, thermostat errors are a big issue. Sometimes folks set it wrong or the thermostat is broken, so double check your settings and replace the thermostat if it's not responding. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess around. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work by connecting with people who really need their help.